Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ben Wallace. I'm here with Neil Erdman, and we just wanted to say thank you very much for coming here to the ribbon cutting. We appreciate everybody. We appreciate the community of Geneseo, and we're very, very happy to be here in our grand opening for our showroom. Neil, how long have we been in business? Since 19, right?
Yep, 2019, I moved into this building, and it was me and a little desk over here in the corner. And this was one big giant room, and I had no idea what I was going to do with all the space. And now we're basically, filled it up, busting at the seams, and growth has been great. This team has helped me put this together, and it's been an awesome experience. And we're just, we're all doing good things, and just got a lot of good things in the future to come out of this space, and homeowners can come in and pick out their selections for their new home or their remodel, or come in and pick out your shingle color for replacing your roof and things like that. So just trying to make it a better experience for all of our customers.
A couple people we want to recognize is Lexi. She's our design specialist. She's going to be standing here at this table helping you build your kitchen or dining room. Kaylin is our what did you say, admin assistant. She takes care of all the things that I don't know how to do. And Heidi is right here. She is our accounting and our HR. She makes sure that I don't go over any big red lines, which I have a tendency to do all the damn time. So without further ado, I want to just real quick introduce Mike one more time. He is our sponsor. This is our representative from Richard Supply in Rock Island. He has given us more help than any two people that I can mention right now. We're grateful for him. I'm going to turn it over to you, buddy.
All right. Well, Neil, I know that this has been a long time coming, so congratulations on the growth of your business. Thank you for your investment in Geneseo. We're so happy for you, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for Erdman Construction. So let's make this official, counting down from 3, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to cut the ribbon from 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo!